Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to draw like a laser dragon. So it's going to have like a laser, so let's just get into it. So first we're going to draw like the eyes right here for the dragon. Of course, that's the first step. And then we'll just like shape out the head right there. And then I'm just going to make his mouth like he's opening it. Or he's like eating something, and then he's gonna be like just chomping it. So I'm gonna make his teeth right here, and then gonna make some in the middle. And now it should be like here, and then he'll be like his hands just resting here. And then the last one will be here. And it'll be like this. You just have to make his head like he's like, I'm waiting for something. And then he's just gonna do the same on the other side. Right here. Whoops. So there we got it. His hands. And now we're just gonna buff him up. He looks like kind of cool, like his fire thing. Now I'm gonna make like this part of him where he's like he should look strong here. And then I'm gonna make his like waist, and then like the legs should be just like coming out right here of his body here. And just standing right here. Soon we'll get into the wings. Then it'll look like a real dragon. Right now it just looks like a big T-Rex coming out of nowhere. So now we're gonna make the wings. And I'm gonna connect those. Now it's starting to look like a real dragon a little. And since it's laser, I made the wings like this. Now I'm gonna make like the electric symbol so it'll look like a real electric dragon. Like a laser one, right? Laser has electric. And now here comes to the part where we make like the minions. So here's a minion, and then we'll just make one here, and then the tiniest one. And they should have like a hat. They're like so tiny and they look like so funny. I'm just gonna make his eyes. And then I'm just gonna shape out the helmet. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna do that for everyone. They kind of look funny. Okay, let's just shape it out. There, we're done the minions. Now we can color the eyes. And now we have to make like an infinity gauntlet. But instead of an infinity gauntlet like Thanos has, the supervillain, we're gonna make like an infinity sword. So we're just gonna shape it out right there. And then I'm gonna do that. And then I could just add this. Now we're gonna make like the defense for the minions. we're gonna make a shield right here to protect them. And then one shield right here for him. And same for all of them. And then they need like some fighting weapons, so they could have a laser. Just here, laser. And then this one could have like, you could throw bombs at the things he's fighting. And then this one should have like the bow and arrow. There. So then we have to make like a base. So then I'm gonna make like a base, like a house for them. So we're gonna like make the base around, and then we could just make it like wood. Even though enemies could like burst into them, but they have like some stuff so they can fight. And then we're gonna make his like laser crown. So here he has a crown, and then this should be like a laser instead of like those like circles. And then we just have to color it. So
I'm just gonna trace it out first. So you just have to like go over everything.
So finally now we can just like erase the parts.
So now you can just erase the parts.
We're gonna leave this part still here. So now we come to the coloring part. So first we have to go on like the dark way, and then like it keeps getting lighter until like it turns super light. And now we're gonna use like the blue for this part. So we start off with the darkest, and that's this one. And it gets like a little lighter. And then like the sword can be gray. Because like most of the metal objects are gray. And this is supposed to be a sword, so yeah. Now we have to make like this master guy. So he's gonna be, of course, like a little yellowish. Like so. We just have to color him fully yellow, and then we can do some other stuffs to him. And we're gonna leave his teeth out white because like all of the animals have that, and even dragons. So yeah, now we're gonna go to this step where we put like so it looks real, like outline of it right here. So we're just gonna trace it out with this. You could use like a darker one if you like can't see it. And then like we can just do that on every piece of it. And then comes to the part where we like do the electric on his crown. So I'm gonna use lots of this because I haven't used it a lot. So yeah. So we're just going basically with like the electric colors. This is supposed to be like the first wings, and then this is like the back wing. And then we're just gonna use this to fill the rest out. And we're not gonna use like that trick again we did for here. We're just gonna do it plain yellow. So then we're done the electric king. And then we have to do like the base, and it looks like it's about like out of wood. So I'll just color it like wood color. And then like we can do the minions hat and all, because the minions are like left part of it. So then we have like the shields, so I have to make it like the dark version of gray. And then I could use like the light one, so I'll just have to repeat it, but in a lighter version. And I'm gonna use the medium one for the hat, like not too light, not too like it's in the middle. Oops, I colored the eyes. And then we can just like do the same for the other shields. And then for them, they can be like brownish, because like they're normal people, right? So it makes sense to make them that color. And then this thing can be like this color, this launcher, so you can launch balls at them. And then here's the bow, so I'll have to make that like very dark one because we have already used like the light, and then we have made the medium one, so yeah. And then the last one we need is black here. And then we can use some gray for this. And then this one is gonna be like little of like all of the colors from like the fire. And that's it for today's video. So bye bye.